The key to success is trust. So, what inspires trust? The urge to deliver cutting-edge technology at an affordable price. The commitment to everlasting quality leads towards longer life. The prime objective to deliver great performance and constantly strive to exceed the customer's expectations with outstanding service. Together, they form our success mantra of Propeller Pumps Group of Companies. Mr. Jashwantabhai Panchal, the industry's foremost expert in pump manufacturing, with more than 35 years of experience. Propeller Pumps is a young organization engaged in the sphere of manufacturing, exporting and supplying a wide spectrum of industrial pumps like polypropylene pump, self-priming pump, polypropylene process pump, self-priming centrifugal pump. The entire gamut caters to the specific needs of waste-water treatment, engineering industry, pumping equipments industry, shipping industry, sugar factories and many more. Propeller Pumps is aiming to reach around 2 to 5 crore yearly business within 2025 with the support of our business associates and distributors across the globe. Propeller Pumps Group of Companies highly skilled workforce in Ahmedabad, Ongole, AP, Vizag, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Vapi, Gujarat, Ankleshwar, Bhavnagar, Panoli, Gujarat, and Vadodara is consistently addressing the needs of clients and striving to meet the technologically advanced demands emerging in the industry. And understanding the growth of Indian market and infrastructure development. As a part of business expansion, Propeller Pumps' ultramodern and technologically integrated manufacturing facilities ensure the highest possible output of maintaining safety, efficiency, hygiene, as well as environmental preservation. In an effort to be self-sufficient, Propeller Pumps made patterns and tools for specific and critical product ranges. Propeller pumps all important raw materials to vendors and obtain specific product lines based on Propeller Pumps design and quality control procedures. Through our channel partners, Propeller Pumps has gained many prestigious corporate clients, both in government and private sectors. Propeller Pumps has a lot of well-known clients in India who can speak to our quality and dedication. Propeller Pumps will always be there when there's a need for the highest standards of quality, ethics, and integrity. Our various approvals. Propeller Pumps' goal of becoming one of the major players in the global pump industry is rapidly becoming a reality due to its tireless efforts, superior quality, and commitment to meeting customer demand in diversified applications across the world. We are Propeller Pumps Fluid Systems, connecting technologies.